What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services, coming to you with another video. And today, I'll come to you to talk about money, ways to make money. Okay, well, ways to make money off of the credit card company. Credit card company has been making money off of us for years, and people have been going in debt for years. I am going to tell you ways. A lot of people already know these things, but for those who don't, ways to make money off of the credit card company and build your credit at the same time. So one of the things that you can do with credit card companies, make sure if you're applying for a credit card, make sure you get a credit card that has options like cashback options, or some type of option where you get something back. And what I mean by that, I have several credit cards because I have my business, so I have different credit cards for different things. But one of the credit cards that I have, I get 1.5% back in cash. So for every purchase that I make, all the way across the board. And that's the company that does that is Navy Federal. That's the credit card company that does 1.5. Then you have Amazon that does, different tiers. They'll do 5% for purchases that you make on Amazon, and 3% on other things, and then like 1% on everything else. So I mean, you just have to look and see what they're offering. But how to successfully do that is you got to be disciplined. And my advice is to have 2 accounts, because you got to think about it. All right, so if you have a credit card that you can earn 1.5% or 2%, cash back. I think Apple credit card is 2% cash back. So if you can get a credit card where you are earning money back, use it to pay for things that you already know you have to pay for anyway. For example, your electric bill. If your electric bill is $300 and you have to pay, you're gonna pay that $300 anyway. Why not put it on that particular credit card and you pay that $300? And if you're getting 1.5% back, then that's what, $4.50. You made $4.50 for paying a bill that you already had to pay anyway, that you were gonna pay, and you were gonna use your debit card to pay it. But in order to do it, like I said, you have to be disciplined though. Now, my advice is to have at least a checking and a savings account. And if you do that, then take that money that you were going to use to pay that bill out of your checking account and put it into your savings account. So every time you're charging something, go ahead and take it out your checking and put it in your savings. That way, when it's time to pay that bill, well, I mean, you pay the bill right away. Once the charge is clear on your credit card statement, you can make the payment. So do it that way, because I know you say, oh, well, I'll use it and then I keep it in my account and I'll pay it all. Yeah, a lot of people say that, but then what ends up happening is they end up doing something else with the money. But this way, if you're smart and you use it the right way, you can, instead of the credit card making money off of credit card companies making money off of you can make money off the credit card companies. And I do it all the time. And like I said, family, you have to be disciplined to do it. But easy way to do it is just transfer that money. If I want to pay that bill, like I just said, my $300 electric bill, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that $300 to the savings account, and then once it clears, I'm gonna pay that money out of the savings account and to pay that credit card off. And that way, it's in a separate account that I'm not looking at, that I'm not using my debit card for, and all that. So, and I mean, you can get, even if it's not cash back, you got some credit card companies that give you points. I mean, if you really use Amazon, like I just said, you use Amazon a lot like I do, and you purchase a lot of things off Amazon and you're getting 5% back. Yeah, you're not getting cash necessarily back, but you're getting 5% back to spend on other items that you're shopping for, or whatever. I think even at Whole Foods, you're shopping there. If you shop at Whole Foods, Amazon credit card also gives 5% for Whole Foods. So it's just a way for you to take advantage of that particular system that takes advantage of people. I won't say they take advantage of people. It's just people get caught up in that spending trap and they end up in debt. So this is just a quick way. I'm not gonna go on and on, but if you want to hear more and get more in detail, let me know. Put a comment down or whatever. Subscribe if you want to hear more. Subscribe. Let me know you like the content, and I'll put more videos. I'll give you an example. I teach. These are things that you should be teaching your children about finance, because growing up, they didn't teach that when I was growing up. They didn't teach about debt. They didn't teach about credit cards, debt. They didn't teach about any of those things in school. So whose responsibility is it to teach it? It's our responsibility to teach our children these things. So anyway, YouTube family, I'm not going to go on and on and on and stretch this video out. But if you want to hear more content, I have a lot of content to put out. Just let me know. All right, YouTube family, thank you for checking out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.